Be it a student or working professional, everyone at some point of time would have needed to use the Office apps on Microsoft 365. But did you know you were doing it wrong? Hey y'all, Deva here from the Experts on Southeast Asia team working with Microsoft. And today we'll be talking about 5 features you probably didn't know Microsoft 365 has. So, you've either purchased a Microsoft 365 license, got it from school, or even got it at work and are wondering, what is Microsoft 365 and how does it differ from the standard Office 2021 license? And that is a very fair question. But the sad thing is, believe it or not many people actually know the differences. Yes, majority of people know that Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based license, while Office 2021 is a perpetual license, also known as lifetime license. Just by hearing that, you might be thinking it would make more sense to get Office 2021 since it's lifetime, right? Well, wrong. Both licenses are catered for different kind of people. On Office 2021 Home and Student, what you get is classic Office apps like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, and OneNote. In addition to that, if you got the Office 2021 Home and Business license instead, you would get Outlook as well. You will be able to install Office 2021 in a single device, either a PC or Mac. You will continue to receive security updates till end of support, but you will not get any more feature updates. Meaning whatever new features you got on Office 2021 will be the only features you will have till you upgrade your license to a newer version when it comes out. On the other hand, if you were to sign up for a Microsoft 365 subscription, you will have the option of choosing a personal subscription or a family subscription. With a Microsoft 365 personal license, you will be able to access premium versions of the Office apps like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, Outlook, and OneNote. On top of that, you also get access to Microsoft Defender, Microsoft Editor, Clipchamp, Microsoft Teams, Access, Publisher, Microsoft Forms, and Skype. Now, that's a lot of apps. But that's not all. You also get 1 terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage, and you can log into Microsoft 365 in any and all of your devices, be it a Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android. You can also have up to 5 devices logged in at any point of time. It's so easy. On the other hand, if you've got Microsoft 365 Family instead, you would have 6 individual user accounts, meaning each of those accounts will get 1 terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage each and be able to access all those apps I mentioned for their own accounts. Essentially, it's like having 6 Microsoft 365 personal licenses in one. And because it's Microsoft 365 Family, you would also get the additional Family Safety mobile app. On top of that, as long as you're a Microsoft 365 subscriber, you will get any and all features and security updates when they are available automatically. So, those are the major differences when it comes to Office 2021 and Microsoft 365. But what about usability? Remember I mentioned Premium Office app with Microsoft 365? Here are a few examples of premium AI features only available on Microsoft 365. First up, we have Quickstarter on PowerPoint. Have you ever wanted to do a presentation or maybe slides for school but don't know how to start? Well, Quickstarter has you covered. All you got to do is open up PowerPoint, click on More Themes, and bam, you've got the grand sheet of PowerPoint. Type down the topic you need to do the presentation about, unselect any categories you might not need, and finally pick a theme. And with that, your slide is created with topics and suggestions you might need. The first 2 pages are hidden and not meant to be on the final draft, but gives you a brief description of the slides. You even get related topics to research on, and to make things easier, all you need to do is highlight the words, right-click on it, and select Search. You'll get all the info you need right on PowerPoint. So, All that's left for you to do is slowly fill up the pages and you're done with your slides. You even get pointers on them to help you smoothen the process. Now you never have to worry about coming up with topics or alignments for your slide. All you need to do is focus on the content you want to put in it. Next up, we have Designer on PowerPoint. You can bring your creativity to life with a little help. When you start a blank presentation and enter words on the slide, Designer recommends high-quality photos that reflects the slide text plus a design scheme with colors that complements the photograph you choose. All the slides in the presentation will fit together visually. Designer helps you arrange multiple images. Or other objects like icons, Designer also gives a list of items instant flair and even get an instant timeline based on dates. Anytime you need Designer's help, all you have to do is go onto the Home or Design tab and select Designer. Now your slides can become more professional than ever. So, we're done with creating the slides and beautifying it. But what comes next may sometimes terrify people. You've got to present your slides to your family, friends, teachers, or bosses. Well, Microsoft 365 has got you covered. Click on the Slideshow tab and you will get all the help you need with Rehearse with Coach. Now you have a coach to help you practice your presentation. As you speak, Coach gives on-screen guidance about pacing, sounding monotonous, inclusive language, speech refinement, use of profanity, filler words, whether you're reading the slide text, and many more. When you're through, exit full screen view and Coach will open a rehearsal report that summarizes what it observed and offer recommendations such as pace, total time, and other ways to improve. You can even choose to learn more on each subcategory. With that, you can choose to practice again using the tips you have received or head on to your presentation. Now, you never have to worry about being the best version of yourself during a presentation. What about homework, an essay, dissertation, or report you can't afford to make mistakes with? Well, not to worry, you have Microsoft Editor. Microsoft Editor is an AI-powered service that helps bring out the best writer in more than 20 languages, whether you're writing a Word doc, composing an email message, or posting on a website like LinkedIn or Facebook. Click on Editor once you're done with your report. Select the type of writing it is, and you will get corrections for spelling and grammar, refinement for clarity, conciseness, formality, inclusiveness, and more. Editor also helps you check for similarities on the web and even gives you an editor score. Let's say you're done with a dissertation or report and now you have to add in citations, references, or a bibliography. Place your cursor on where you want to create a citation, click on the Reference tab, and choose your preferred referencing style. Next, select Insert Citation and choose Add New Source. Fill out the source information and select OK to add the citation. If you want to cite the same source or a different one, place your cursor again, select Insert Citation, and choose which source you want to cite. Once you're done citing your sources and ready to add a bibliography, select References again, and click on Bibliography, and choose a format. If you have added a new source halfway through, select your bibliography and click on the Update tab to add it. And with that, you have completed your report or dissertation. Gone are the days where you search for a random site to help you with referencing. Now everything can be done directly on Word. And there you have it. 5 features you probably didn't know Microsoft 365 has. If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more Microsoft related content, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, stay tuned for 5 more features on a later date. And as usual, let us know what other type of content you would like to see on the comment section below. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching and I'll see y'all on the next one.